Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So to change the air filter, this is the air filter box. The first thing you need to do is disconnect the mass airflow sensor. You do that by pulling up on this red tab and then pushing down on that black block. It comes right off. Get that out of your way. This car has a T20 Torx head on all the housing bolts. Lift it up, pull the old one out. You want to clean any debris from rodents or anything that's left behind there. Here we have a home of a mouse or a chipmunk. We're going to use a shop vac to take out all the acorn shells that are left behind. Once all the debris is clear, to install the new air filter, just line it up, hold it down, line up the screws to the ears. Once it's all snug, reconnect your mass airflow sensor. Make sure there's no dirt, debris in either end. Get a click, push down the lock tab. You're all done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.